Today I'm going to do a train with me. So I'm just going to do a training session and film it, and you can see what I get up to. Um, so yeah, nice little location, sun shining. Hopefully I'm glowing. I haven't actually trained in quite a while, and my legs feel very, very sore. But you know what? I'm just going to do little all-round sessions so that I can sit on the ground for half of it and not have to actually do anything. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with this trick. Ready? Whoa, she's so good. That was my lower level. As you can tell, not very great. I'm going to put this microphone on me and hope it doesn't make loads of noise. Because normally it just does and it's really, really annoying. Hey, the sun's really bright. Watch these uppers, ready? It's going to make so much noise. Is that good? Now ready? What should I do? I'm going to try handstand. Don't judge, they're not very good. Oh no, 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 no. Now I don't want to stand back up. I'll just sit here for the rest of the video. No, that's very unproductive. Handstand 2.0. Ready? There we go. This is my favourite thing to do. Sit on the floor. This floor feels very sticky. I'm getting blinded by the sun. Ready? Oh! That was painful on the old back. I have marks on my back now. The most satisfying stitch you'll ever see in your life. Oh! It's just a sad day. At least I can do a handstand again. Okay, ready for this now? So uppers. Handstand. And the most satisfying stitch you'll ever see. I didn't mess it up. Boom, boom, boom. Ah, that was it. Perfect. I feel like I'm just going to spend half the time sitting on the floor. Because what else can I do? Nothing. Floor's the best stuff. Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Satisfying. Right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. And this, ready? Oh, I can't bend that much. Let me try that again. Let me just rest. Okay, I'm ready. Still getting blinded. Oh, I messed it up again. Oh no, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. This is the one. There you go. It's not that hard. Just making a meal of it. This is my favourite thing to do as well. No, that's not it. That's not it. This is. No, I think I'm broken. I can't do anything. Oh, I just can't do anything. The idea was this, the train, not me. There we go. Now we've got it. Got the hang of it. Okay, go to move. There we go. Boom. Oh, she's so good. No. No, 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 no. You know what I don't like about this spot? the fact that it's a hill. Look, ready? Downhill is that way, uphill is that way. It's not too fun. No. Oh. Ta-da. What should I do now? Oh, ready for this one? Oh, this hurts my knees actually. Oh, for God's sake. For God's sake. Ready for this? Oh, the knees. That one hurts. No drops. That was a mess. Wow, that was quite satisfying. Ready for this one? This is cute, wasn't it? So cute. Now I'm going to stand up like this, ready? Ow. I'm going to try this trick, ready? Oh, the microphone might be in the way, but... Boom! See that first time? Absolute pro. Ready? Oh, thank you. Thank you. My hair needs redoing. It's a mess. I haven't done much lowers today, so I'm going to try and do... How many? Try to do 5 lowers tricks. This one first. Easy one. Well, I say easy, but probably get it first time. Oh, yes. Second trick. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Fourth trick. Oh, fourth one again. No. Third time's a charm. There it is. Okay. That was 4 tricks. Last trick, what should I do? They're pretty easy ones. Let's try not lemons. Never really good at them. So, just understand if I don't get it first time, you know? Oh. You know what? I'm actually just so great. There is your 5 lowest tricks. In the space of like a minute. And that was first time, the hardest one, so... Thank you very much. I'll try to do a handstand trick. Are you ready for this? Don't judge, I'm not good at handstands. Oh, one more attempt. I've got it. Yes! You know what I want to do? My 2025 goal is to hold a handstand for 10 seconds. That's pretty long, isn't it? I'll do a progress video. This is my handstand, ready? I'll probably not fall on it. Okay. Oh, you know what? Like, that was like bad because I'm going uphill. Do you know what I mean? One more try. Oh God. Try again. Was that good? Definitely wasn't. I'm blaming the uphill. That was a good one. That was a good one. My final trick of the video is going to be... let me think. This one. Ready? The knee stall to V stall. That wasn't good enough. Didn't hold it long enough. Ready? Oh, no. I was going to try and do a big fancy trick, but you know what? I did the trick. So I'm going to keep it as that. That is my training session. done, I think, kind of. I don't know. Well, my video's done anyway. Don't want it to be too long. I might have to edit for too long. Can't be doing that. Got things to do. I'm a busy gal. Hope you enjoy the video. And if you want to see some more just training days, let me know. It's pretty easy just to film my training. Obviously, like, I'll try and do like different sessions. Like today I just did all round. Like next time I might just do lowers only. Try and get some cool combos. Do a session full of sits, which would be my favourite thing to do, laying on the ground. That's me done. The sun is going. I'm losing daylight. So yeah. But yeah. Thanks for watching.